are beakers everywhere. Panorama Point. And there's a couple signs over there, but lots of people are coming and going right here, so hopefully I'll move farther down and I can get in front of the signs. But I am Mount Hood Viewpoint. That's also called I want to say paranormal. Panorama Viewpoint. I think it's about 10 miles out of Hood River. It's like peekaboo. Pikachu. Peekaboo. No more. Alright. I did a video last year, but you know, it's always good to update videos. And sometimes I might have missed something because I'm a squirrel. Like that one's all rusted out of a sign. This one I just can't really see the sign. Maybe it's fooling me. It's just rusted. And then there is a good shot there. Come back and there's somebody just taking pictures too. So now these walls. Last year there were some walls that had. These walls had. I remember these walls having some pictures on them. Was it here? I go to a lot of these things to explore for me and for work and just I thought there was like something about some families or oh gosh, it seems like because okay, I'll show you here in a second. I was coming in planting in memory of. Okay, so contributed by, so this was built by that, but, and then over there, even that plaque down there is gone. So that, and then those plaques have been rested. But I thought there was, yeah, there's nothing on this side. But I did, we can go to this. This is up at Panorama Point in Mount Hood, Oregon area. Not quite sure. It looks like it had a plaque at one time. So maybe put a nest maybe, and then there's over to the left.